Hi there, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another Quick Win Wednesday. It's been a while, but we're back on Wednesday. In this video, we're going to talk about the Livewire confirm. It's something that is quite new, and well, let's have a look at it. Here we go. Alright, so we're using the previous project that we had on data tables, which has pagination and search. So if I search floss, I should get 2 people. Yeah, alright, flossy. So yeah, let's reuse this. This is our blade file. Let me close up this here. Our blade file of this project containing name, email, gender, and stuff like that. Our component code, which handles off the sorting and updates and search and things like that. But first of all, I'm going to add something I forgot previously in here. In the for each, whenever you're looping over data, you need to specify wire key. Yeah, so every row has a unique key for, yeah, Livewire just needs that. So in this case, this will be user ID. All right, if I refresh this and I inspect here, you should see wire key equals to something. All right, cool. Let's start off with creating a button here. So let me copy this here. And I'm actually going to use button, and I'm going to call it delete. And I pulled this open because I also want this to be type button. Why? Because if this button becomes something of a form, it will generate a submit. So we need to specify that, hey, this is only a button, this isn't a submit button at all, and things like that. All right, so whenever we're deleting a user, we need a function. So let's create here a new public function, and let's call it delete, and let's specify delete user. And we're going to let this take in an ID of user, but we're going to use the power of laravel to use user, and this will actually model bind this to be a user. And in here we could use user delete, and this is also magic of laravel. It has a delete function, it will delete it and things like that. I have separate videos about that on the channel, so take a look at the channel for more information about that. So whenever this button is clicked, so wire click, I want to call upon the delete user function. And this actually takes in a parameter, and this parameter will be the user ID, like that. All right, let's test this out. And we now have a delete button here, and if I click it, boom, our user is gone. But what if I'm not sure about it, or I click it unintentionally? So we can use wire click to delete it, but we can also use wire confirm, confirm, to actually ask a question here. For example, let's say you're about to delete, and the cool thing here, we can also add, add user first name, for example. First, oh, what am I doing? Name, like that. You're about to delete the user first name. Are you sure? And if I save this and I refresh, all right, so now if I'm trying to delete Abbott Francesca, you're about to delete Francesca. Are you sure? If I hit cancel, Francesca remains in the data table. If I confirm, boom, Francesca is gone. All right, so that's actually the power of wire confirm that Livewire brings for us for free. So there's no need to create your own model where the user can cancel or approve their action that they're about to do. You can just use wire confirm with a sentence in there, and you're good to go. I think this is quite nice, and well, I hope you learned something from this one. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.